welcome to my channel. We are doing your reading from 21st to 30th of June for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed it yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest videos. So I'll be looking towards your past energies, your present energies and some of your future energies. And then I will end the reading with some couple of universal cards. Okay, so we'll see what the universe has to tell about you. Okay, so let's get started. So the overall energy card is the High Priest. Might be dealing with a Taurus, or might be in some kind of that energy where you are seeking some kind of help from some counselor or some wise person. Some kind of medication is going on. Something is there where you need actually some kind of guidance. Or you might be the person who are guiding someone. So you are really wise. Your energy is basically looking for those energies which will give you some positive vibes. Okay. So your past energies, your past cards are 6 of Pentacles, 2 of Rods and 3 of Pentacles. So in your past I see that there was some kind of confusion in regarding with your work, I see. Because you are working with your pentacles, your money. So, and 3 of Pentacles with the 6 of Pentacles, double the cards, double the energy. So, it's like you started something new which I see in your past, and that involves a lot of help towards others. But you are still a little confused about this. I don't know what is it. Might be it is something which involves a lot of money and you are not taking money, or you are not accepting, you are not giving. I feel that it's like it is involving money. I really feel that this is something related to your finances. Or if it is related to your relationship also, whatever situation it requires a lot of effort, you know. That whatever you are starting with the 3 of Pentacles, you are starting something very, some kind of partnership is there. You are all into this new thing, whichever you have started. And with this 6 of Pentacles, it's like somebody is going to help you, or is someone helping you, or you might be the person helping some other person. It does not always require money to help others. It can be verbally, it can be mentally, help basically. Some kind. That is why I feel that the High Priest is here. You might be the counselor, or you might be the one who were getting counseled. Okay. So there was a confusion because of that. You need some kind of guidance, I see. In your present energies, the cards are Queen of Swords, King of Rods and the High Priestess. So this continuation of this energy is still there. You are still in that, the High Priestess mode, the Cancer card, and you are in the Queen of Swords mode basically. So actually, you know, with these 3 cards, look, I want to show you this. See, with this High Priestess, with King of Rods and Queen of Swords, I really feel all these energies are your energies. Because I feel that it's like you are being the High Priestess because you want to work for, you are so much into yourself. With the Queen of Swords, it's like you are not ready for any love kind of a thing right now. You are more into your inner growth. You are more into yourself. Your self-love is there. And with the King of Rods, you are so passionate that you can do. You have a feeling. You have that kind of energy that you will be successful by yourself. You don't need anyone else to make you to take you to the top level. So that is something which I feel it is, but we will clarify. Okay, so in your future the cards are 2 of swords, 7 of rods and 9 of rods. A lot of action is there in your future which is just coming, but I see that a lot of confusion, more confusion is coming in your future as well. With the 7 of rods and 9 of rods, it's like you are you are taking a stand of yourself in the 7 of rods. It's like people are not allowing you to do some things, and you are like, no, I will do it for myself. This is me. This is what I want. Because it always happens with the Cancerians that whatever they want, they do not get it very easily. So it's like but you are taking your stand, which I see in future energies. Okay, no, I have decided this. I am not going to look back. I am standing here and I will stay here till you will not accept my whatever wish you are, whatever thing you are thinking actually. So that is why a lot of confusion is being created, okay, with the 2 of swords. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the High Priest. You are into that zone where you just, you have so many options. You are the talented one of the family. You are the one who can do a lot of stuff, who is ready to be, who is happy being single. And let's see, the cards are 7 of Cups, the Devil and 9 of Pentacles. So you want some help. You are ready to, you are single. You are happy that, okay, fine, I do not want to get involved in some things which are just the attraction. Okay, with the 7 of Cups and the Devil, it's like there are so many options in front of you, but you are attracting towards the wrong one only. Why? You are so much happy being single, but when this person or this situation, because this is something I feel that it is related to some kind of a past in your life. So when this thing comes in front of you, you feel like you are attracted. You are not able to just see the chains, the way the chains are with this person, how they are linked to each other. So you are not able to move. You are so much addicted towards this thing, so that is why you need guidance. You need someone to help you out, to take you out from this situation. Okay, I will clarify the 6 of Pentacles. Okay, so whichever thing you thought that you are ready to help others, you have that kind of a feeling because you are always the one who is ready to help others. You are so much into that kind of a social work kind of a thing. So you want to do that, and you have actually found, which I see, something very new and something very stable with the Ace and the 10 of Pentacles. You are into this very stable new beginning. You have found it, but why are you confused then? If you have found that thing, but still there's some kind of lag, some kind of confusion which I see from your, maybe it is because from this thing you might not be able to get money, a lot money which you need, or what is this, we will see. But and with the Knight of Swords, it's like it happened to you the way you wanted, and it happened really fast, and you were happy with this thing, but still some confusion. Let's see what is this confusion. Two of Rods. Okay, Fool. Eight of Pentacles. Nice. And the King of Pentacles. So perfect cards. Okay. So you were confused. First of all, why the Fool came. You know, you took this step. You took you took the step really fast, but it is a very beautiful step whichever you took, because it involves not just money, it involves a lot of balance, a lot of stability as well. It involves money as well, that you will, it's a long-term thing where you got involved, but you took this as a leap of faith. It actually, you risked this thing, you took the step and you risked yourself. You don't know whether it will give you prosperous results or not. You don't know whether you will get the fruits which you actually need. With the Eight of Pentacles, you are working. You started working for this thing, and you were like all night and day you were working for this thing. Okay, fine, I took a risk, no matter, I will do whatever will be needed. And the King of Pentacles, you actually gain some kind of growth as well, I see. Okay, let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. So well, the cards are Two of Cups, Five of Cups and Justice. Justice came in reverse, so I will take it in reverse. Well, I don't read reversals, but I don't know why this card is telling me to read the reverse. Okay, so the Three of Pentacles, it's like you entered this partnership, whatever this thing, you entered into this new business, you enter into this new relationship. It is actually, you know, you thought that it was your soulmate kind of a thing, or it will give you a lot of happiness. You thought that, but there were some things which didn't happen fine. You know, you took this decision very in a haste, and then you actually worked for this. You took risk to do this new thing, because you know it's also important that your emotions are involved, and I really feel that whatever you involved into, because you wanted to do that, you wanted from your heart, you wanted to help someone, you wanted, because you also were in that kind of a situation where you received a lot of help from others. So that is why you entered into this partnership, into this new relationship with whomsoever you entered, or with whatever situation is this. So, but a lot of, you know, memories, again, a lot of past things were coming towards your mind, and with the Justice in reverse, it is telling me that it is actually the injustice which you are going through. A lot of things happened, and you were like, okay, fine, I will be fine, I am going to explore some new things. But while, you know, working, while whatever you are doing, your job, your work, your new relationship, you still find some things which are actually, it's not giving you justice. So that is why confusion, that kind of a thing is there in your mind. You are not happy. So that is why. Still it is going on and on in your mind. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords. Pentacles you are getting. It's like a lot of, not very, your past and present is more like just not very furious kind of energies. Okay, so for Queen of Swords, the cards are Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and Six of Swords. So this Queen, which is you, that person who does not think from just the heart, is actually you are, because you were feeling that this is not happening, whatever happening with me is not the justice, I am not receiving any justice from these things. So that is why you decided that, okay, fine, I will go with whatever my mind is telling me, wherever to go. So you started moving on. So mentally you are prepared, you want to move on, you are ready to just do what is good for you, what is better for you. You have started thinking that kind of things, because past can come again and again. You are attracted towards that thing, it is coming again and again. So that cannot happen always, right? So you finally thought that no, this thing, if this thing is not deserving, it's not deserving, sorry, it's not receiving me correctly, this thing, whatever the thing is, it's better to move on into something new. So that is why I see you with Page of Pentacles, something new, whichever thing you have started, you are a learner in that thing, and you will be growing as well, because the Page and then the Knight of Pentacles, there is a growth, and that is why with that growth you are ready to move forward in your life. Let's see the King of Rods. Four of Cups, the Chariot, and Temperance. You know, when the Chariot comes in your read, it always indicates that stopping or just standing by is not an option. If you have thought that you have to move on, then you have to move on. There is not a no in this situation. You cannot say no to the Chariot. It's always the that kind of a person, because the Chariot involves the cart, and in this the person is sitting and he is not ready to stop. He is just going and he will go on. So this is what the Chariot is telling. If you are somewhere that you are not able to accept some things, because the situation which you are dealing with is again and again stopping you, is just your speed is not so fast. It's how to say this, how can I see you not, basically the universe is telling you to move on, but there are some things which are not letting you to move on. There are some things which are coming towards you as an hindrance. So that is why you are not able to move further. You are not able, but the universe is telling you to, you cannot say no now. You have started this, so you have to finish it, whatever you have started. So if you need something, the exact thing which you need is the balance between your mind and your heart. That is what you need. You don't need a no. You cannot just sit, okay, I started this, now I don't want to do it, I don't want to continue. No, Chariot is there to tell you no. You cannot say no now. You have started this now. Do it, complete it. You have to complete the journey. This journey is yours. Okay? With the High Priestess, let's clarify that. Page of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and Three of Wands. Okay. I really feel you are waiting for some things, because you decided some things, but you are very moody as well. Cancerians are actually very moody, and this card explains it all. Sometimes you are, okay fine, I will do it, but sometimes no, I cannot do it. I am very passionate though, but I have to wait for that thing to complete first, then I will move on. That is not the High Priestess, okay? You cannot do that thing, because the Chariot is here. You cannot look back now. This is what your present energy is telling you. Whatever you have said, because you were so stable in your past energies, which I see, that you were ready to do everything, and then all of a sudden in your present you got stuck somewhere, and that made you feel like, what should I do now? I'm middle of nowhere. So that is why the Chariot is here. That is why this Chariot is telling you to go on, move on further. This is the journey. This is what you wanted, and it's happening. So just do not look back. See, with the Three of Swords, he is not looking back. He is just moving forward, and he is looking forward because he knows if this thing will happen, it will end. Whatever you are dealing with, the situations, bad situations will end, and you will be able to move on further. Okay, so let's see your future energies. Two of Swords. What is it? Okay, Nine of Rods again. The High Priestess. It came in the reverse, so I'll take it in reverse. Nine of Swords, Nine of Rods, and the High Priestess in reverse. So the confusion, you are so indecisive. I see that in your future there is a lot of not sleeping. In fact, during your nights, I see you feeling very sad. Your High Priestess mode is actually going towards the wrong mode. You are becoming, you are just thinking and thinking and thinking and not able to do anything because you are stuck and you are feeling guarded. So it's making you feel a lot of pressure coming towards you, I see. So that is why it is making you feel that, oh my God, what I am doing, I don't know what to do now. I see you being indecisive. Why? Pisces also had this kind of energy in future, where they don't know what to do in future. And so many good cards in present and past energies. Let's look towards the Seven of Rods. You know what, I really feel that you are coming towards some kind of completion with so many 9 cards. 9 of Cups, 9 of Rods over here, 9 of Swords over here, and again 9 of Rods. So 9 is, because after 9, 10 comes. 10 is the fulfillment card. You get everything with 10. So I really feel that something is ending, some kind of cycle is ending. So that is why you are, because before that cycle ends, before the final utmost happiness, you need to feel that pressure. You need to feel that what it feels when you get everything. So that kind of pressure, that kind of sadness must be felt. So that is what I feel over here. That kind of energy is there in your future. So for Seven of Rods, you are the cards are 9 of Cups, 3 of Cups, and 8 of Swords. So you are feeling like you are ready, because you are ready to fight from these people, whomsoever situation, whatever situation you are dealing, you are ready to fight with them, but at the same time you are feeling not able to do that because they are actually not letting you do some things. But the fortune will favor you, and you will, I see that with the 9 of Cups and 3 of Cups, you will feel your wish coming true in future. You are taking, how to say this, you are pissed off, or you are feeling sad for those things which are actually not happening. You are feeling, I see in your future, you are feeling trapped, but it's actually not any trap. There is no trap like that. You are just feeling, this is just in your mind, but actually it's nothing. So this is that kind of an energy. You are standing for yourself, you are ready to fight the situation, but you are feeling trapped. You are feeling like, I cannot do this. There is, I can do this and I cannot do this. Both energies are coming simultaneously towards you. Let's see 9 of Rods. Third card, yeah. And with the 9 of Rods, 4 of Rods, Page of Cups and Page of Swords. Okay. So this is indicating me that some kind of offer is coming towards you in future. But that offer is actually just think before doing anything, because the Page of Swords, I don't see it with a very good page. He is not always, he is very curious, he is very sharp, and he talks a lot. So a gossiper card this is. A lot of gossiping is there, no emotions involved. So this person makes happy jokes, makes some kind of jokes which makes others happy, but not good for you, that kind of energy which I see. And it might be your family, or might be for your family. I feel that this person or whatever things are going to come towards you, they will not be so good, and this offer which is coming towards you, just be prepared for this offer. And I really feel that offer is what you are going to block. So that is why you are standing here guarding that bad energies. So basically, because your gut feelings, you are having that gut feelings, and you will take that step, whatever will be needed to guard your family, whatever. So let's see the cards, what the universe has to tell for you. I feel that there's a communication. The cards are 4 of Rods, 8 of Rods and 7 of Cups. So with these cards, I feel that there is some kind of communication coming towards you and your family basically, because the 4 of Wands and 8 of Wands, it's like somebody coming towards your family or approaching towards you. It might be your family approaching towards you, and you will be very happy basically, because this is something you needed from a long time. So that is actually finally happening. So that is what the universe is telling you. So be ready for the things which are going to come, because a lot of action is going to happen in your current future. Okay, so I hope you like my reading. That's all from my side, Cancers, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.